He is dubbed as the Punisher and the Dirty Harry of Davao. You can say that he is one of the most talked about people in our country. You might also know him. Hello everyone, this is SpeakUP. Keep watching to know some interesting facts about the person who holds the most important position in our country. President Rodrigo Roa Duterte, and some things you might not know about him. Number 1. He was elected the 16th President of the Philippines in May 2016. Number 2. During his more than 20 years as mayor of Davao City, he was able to make big changes and managed to change it into one of the safest cities in the world, according to numbeo.com. Number 3. As a teenager, he was the same tough guy. He was fearless despite being skinny as a boy, according to a 2002 Time magazine article. Number 4. He also preferred to hang out with common people in his youth, which probably helped shape his image now that appealed to the masses. Number 5. In high school, he got expelled twice before finally graduating. Then he went on to earn a law degree. Number 6. According to him, never in his wildest dreams did he think of becoming a mayor. After he passed the bar exam, he served as a special counsel in Davao and then as assistant city fiscal. Number 7. According to a Time magazine article, he reportedly made a policy of doling out groceries to cops. This is so they wouldn't be tempted to ask for bribes. Number 8. When he was still mayor, he would usually drive around Davao City twice a week to ensure that things are going well. And he did so riding a big bike. Number 9. He has been offered the Interior Secretary post 4 times by 4 presidents and he rejected all of them. Number 10. At the age of 71, President Duterte became the oldest person ever elected to the presidency. A Pulse Asia survey conducted in July 2016 showed that Duterte had a trust rating of 91%, the highest of the 6 presidents since the Marcos dictatorship. These are just a few of the many things about President Duterte. If you want to know more about him, you can refer to my references below. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned some things about our president. Thank you for watching and see you next time.